Hello everyone, I'm Jason and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to find out if the Estes Xarconian cruiser can survive a major power upgrade. This rocket was originally designed to fly on a C6-3 engine, but today I'm taking things much further by converting it to fly on a much more powerful E12-4 engine. Will it survive? Let's find out. The Estes Xarconian cruiser stands 22.7 inches tall and has a body diameter of 1.33 inches. It was originally introduced in 2011, discontinued in 2016, and has now returned as a 2026 re-release. Instead of building it as Estes intended, I wanted to see if it could safely handle a much larger engine. The stock rocket flies on a C6-3 engine. For this project, I'm upgrading it to an Estes E12-4 engine. The E12-4 engine gives this rocket approximately 3 times the total impulse power of the original C6-3 engine. Naturally, that required several modifications before it could ever leave the launch pad. Before launching the rocket, I modeled it on OpenRocket to estimate the center of pressure. I also experimented with the cardboard cutout method as a comparison, although I ultimately relied on the OpenRocket calculations for the center of pressure. With the stability confirmed, it was time to modify the rocket. The stock 18mm engine mount on the right simply wouldn't hold an E-engine, so I replaced it with the larger 24mm engine mount on the left, capable of handling the larger engine. Here's the size difference between the original C engine and the much larger Estes E12-4 engine. It's quite a difference. With the larger engine mount installed, the E12-4 fits perfectly into the Xarconian cruiser. Because of the additional weight, I also upgraded the recovery system with a stronger shock cord. One thing I like to do with every model rocket kit is preserve the fin patterns. A simple photocopy makes it much easier to reproduce replacement fins in the future if they're damaged. With everything complete, it is time for the first launch. Let's see if the Xarconian cruiser can survive 2 launches with an E12-4 engine. Let's launch it. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. That launch was a success. The rocket flew straight, the parachute deployed, and the Xarconian cruiser safely returned to Earth. It's time for launch number 2. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. The Estes Xarconian cruiser survived 2 launches on Estes E12-4 engines and proved that with the proper modifications and careful preparation, it can safely handle much more power than its original stock configuration. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and be sure to check out my new YouTube playlist featuring Estes Pro Series 2 rockets. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next launch.